Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Alpha Futures to Tradingview. First, make sure your Alpha Futures account is active. Before connecting, confirm that you have passed the evaluations if required. You must have received your Tradingview login credentials from Alpha Futures. Also, make sure your account is activated and that the email clearly specifies whether you should use the live or demo server. If you do not have your Tradingview credentials yet, wait for the approval email before continuing. Now, go to the official Tradingview website. Log into your Tradingview account. Once logged in, open any futures chart such as MAS, NQ, or ES. You can search for the symbol in the search bar at the top and open the chart. Next, scroll to the bottom of the chart screen. Click on Trading Panel. In the list of available brokers, find and select Tradingview. It is important that you do not select another broker. Alpha Futures uses Tradingview login credentials for connection. After selecting Tradingview, a login pop-up will appear. Enter the username provided in your Alpha Futures email and the password exactly as given. Then, select the correct server environment. Choose Demo if you are still in evaluation or simulation. Choose Live if you are funded. After entering everything correctly, click Connect. Once connected, click the account drop-down inside the trading panel. Select your Alpha Futures funded account from the list. Confirm that your balance appears correctly. After the balance is visible, your account is successfully connected. You can now place trades directly from Tradingview using Alpha Futures account. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.